guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to know who viewed or visited your Instagram profile. There's honestly two ways for someone to see your profile. First one, probably the easiest, is to click on your profile and just post a story. But the problem with Instagram stories is that the stories last just 24 hours. And also that doesn't mean that they have visited your Instagram profile, because they can check your profile without clicking on your stories. The second method that you guys can use is to keep adding your latest stories to the highlights. You can do that by clicking on the bottom right corner on highlight and click on you and just name it as something you want. And as you can see, the highlight is now will be added to your Instagram profile. Then you can see who actually visited or viewed your profile. So yeah guys, that is basically the two ways that you can know who visited your Instagram account. If you guys found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Take care. Until next time.